Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a toilet paper deal until Saturday, August the 2nd over at Walgreens. These are the best paper deals this week at the pharmacy. So we're going to be looking at this in-store and curbside, meaning putting an order in online. But $1.92, that's a very stock up price, but a very extreme deal as well. The first couple deals we're going to talk about is doing it curbside, meaning you're putting the order in through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. Deal number one. Okay, so this one is going to be involving this friend, which is a you can use this more than once. It's multi-use for curbside or online and in-store. It is to spend $45 to earn back $10 in Walgreens cash. And I really had to look at the math 100 different ways for this one. So first thing is we are going to be adding in 16 paper products. I really encourage you, because this is like a lot of paper. I think it's like 17 items after everything's said and done. Go to the store after you put your order in, because this will take up a ton of room. So you're grabbing either these toilet papers or paper towels. The toilet paper is very similar to Angel Soft, so I think it's of a really good quality. And we have $1.50 off of each. So that's why we're getting so many of that specific one. I got capped out at my location at 8 of each. I couldn't go any more than that. So I threw in this friend, just a cottonelle. You can add something else in, whatever you want, but I just thought, I know a lot of you really enjoy cottonelle, so I just tossed one of those in as well. So just to show you this is where the very extreme part comes. We have $24 coming off with that $1.50 off times 16. And then I also used the code SAVE20 for an additional $11.60 off. So the overall total for this is $82. And then we have $35.60 coming off. So the new total is $46.40. So we're still at that cap of spend $45 to earn back $10. Free curbside pickup, tax. So you're going to pay $49.18 with your debit or credit card. You're getting back $13 in Walgreens cash. So for the 17 items, it's like $1.92 each. So not bad. I know it's a very extreme deal, but if you're trying to stock up, or if you're a newer couponer, I don't think this is the worst deal to really stock up on paper. Next curbside deal that we're looking at are these 4 packs of the puffs. It's either this one or the one with lotion. It's like in a purple box at $6.99, and it's the 4 count. So it is the larger one. They're typically $9.99. So for 3 of them, it's $20.97. Using the code WAG10, we're getting an additional $2.10 off, and this is where the math is really interesting. So the overall total for the basket is $20.97, $2.10 coming off, and then with the tax here in Michigan, the new total is $20. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. But that extra $2.10 really helps out the deal. So that's why it's so much better to do this deal curbside than in store. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is in store. The next 2 deals are going to be in store. This is to buy 2 Angel Soft, or an Angel Soft and a Quilted Northern, and get back a $3 register reward. Alternatively, if you want to go with 2 Angel Softs or 2 Quilted Northerns, Checkout 51 has a rebate that you can apply for post your transaction. Just make sure you have them clipped. Now, if you wanted to grab one of each, you would load the $1 for the Angel Soft and the $1 for the Quilted Northern. Grabbing 2 of these products at $6.99 a pop, that's $13.98. Subtracting $1 off of each, it's $11.98. You'll get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per paper product. This is top tier paper as well. This is a no booster deal. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, or alternatively you can use whatever register rewards you have. And if you are a Quilted Northern or an Angel Soft girly, you would just change around the variations, but double triple check that you have the rebates on Checkout 51. Final deal that we're looking at is to buy 4 participating Puffs, Charmin, or Bounty products to get back a $4 register reward. We're looking for the products at $4.99. Charmin Essential in a quick pinch always does a really great job, either the strong or the soft. So in store, remember you're in store because it's a register reward deal. Grabbing a mix and match of these products, it would be $19.96. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $15.96 for the 4 or $3.99 per paper product. No booster. Yes, you can use register rewards if you might have a $10 from Venus or an $8 from the Olay deal. Those would be ideal register rewards to throw into this deal so you're paying a lot less out of pocket and not eating up all of your Walgreens cash. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.